Hey everyone, welcome back. It's now episode 10 of Shuffle Productions. Minecraft, Vanilla, the Scots.
Hello.
Hello
You
everyone.
need to work on
Hello.
the intro.
We will work on our intro, but it will be great one day.
One day.
Callum,
Hello.
how are you doing?
I'm alright. How are you?
What's I'm very good. Thank you very much.
Thanks,
What has
Pat.
been the go-to with you? Oh,
Sorry, finger slipped. Go to me. I
Yeah.
don't know. What have we been up to recently?
Punching wood.
punching.
Pat's been punching wood.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't know how to continue from that.
Probably.
Shut up.
Probably go.
Let's go. Let's go do something.
Let's go.
Let's get straight in there.
So Pat, what has been the go-to with you?
The go-to.
The go-to.
Stop using hipster terms. What like
Oh, okay.
Don't be something you're not, Calum.
I can be a hipster
nerd.
if I want to be.
nerd. Okay.
Yeah, what do you want to do today?
I don't know. I lost all my stuff since I died in that lava with you. Cause I pushed
You
you.
drowned in the ocean. Actually,
Oh
I
no!
think
Did
Nice
I
one,
drown
Pat.
in the
actually, I
ocean?
think I killed you, and then you drowned in the ocean or something.
Yeah.
It wasn't
all
one of
the
the
stuff
ocean.
despawned at the
I
bottom.
thought we were like in a ravine and then I killed you.
No.
No, that must have been
Patrick,
a long time.
Did you ever watch last episode? You were
No.
here, you know.
Sorry, I'm undedicated.
Right. So
Alright.
yeah, I believe last time there was a situation where Calum was in a boat, Patrick was in a boat, and well,
Oh yeah,
Patrick
the
lost
boats,
all
I
his stuff.
remember
Let's
now.
say that
Yeah, the
much.
boats. Yeah, it was
Calum's
when
sword
we
slipped.
went on the adventure across
Oh
the
yeah, I
ocean.
had a lot of iron as well.
Oh dear.
That's
Um,
fine.
Well, I know what I'm going to do actually.
What
I'm
are you
gonna
gonna do?
finish or make this water fountain because it looks beautiful already. But I'm going to make it look even more
Oh.
Yeah,
beautiful.
Calum, it looks fantastic.
I'm gonna continue working on the underground casino under the outhouse. So
I'm gonna gather some resources.
yeah, I'm gonna
Oh,
need
shit,
to gather
okay.
some resources.
Okay.
Ah,
Where
I'll go
is
down.
one of you going to go mining?
I'll go with mining.
If you find gold,
I
can
will
you
also
bring
go
me,
Oh, I need to get torches.
like 10 bits of gold.
torches.
Torches.
Actually,
are
no,
there
5.
torches?
5 bits of gold.
There's tons of wood around the place.
We have
are
coal?
in a forest.
Do we have coal?
There is tons of coal in the
Okay,
chest.
I will craft it.
Do you know how to craft coal, Patrick?
No, I said I'd craft the torches.
Ah, you know that much, eh?
Shut up.
You don't craft coal, you dig it.
It's a joke.
Oh, okay.
Not a
I
noob.
was half listening, half like building. Right, so the underground casino. It's gonna be a pretty big project, isn't it?
I guess so. You need lots of white stuff, and gold and red and oh,
We're gonna have to
beautiful.
make. Are we still gonna do the roller coaster?
Yeah,
Into the
that's
casino.
A lot of iron. I'll
Yeah.
start. I'll start.
That is a lot of iron. We need quite a fair bit of wood as well, probably.
just dropping
Well,
all the
I'm in
crap
charge of mining, so I'll do it.
Okay.
No, I'll do it.
off. Nice one, Pat.
Shut up.
Nice one.
Insert in your wood
Ah.
here.
Pat's in charge of the wood.
Where did all the coal go? Oh, okay,
Damn
there
it.
we go. Found it.
When you tried to make a furnace out of stone, when you really needed cobblestone. That's fun.
Right. Cal, come and look at the fountain.
I'm coming.
Do you think it looks a bit better? Because I've added like blocks underneath it to make it kind of like more like it's got a base.
I'll tell you what, Calum.
I'm gonna decorate it with gold.
I
when
need
Patrick
food
Oh.
needs
as
me.
well.
Permit me
I need
one moment
food. I'm gonna take half of the
to
bread.
just.
Oh no. Oh yeah, we need to make a farm as well. Actually, do you want me to do that just now?
We have plenty of bread, Calum.
Actually,
I
we
don't
do
know
have
if
a
you
farm.
remember how
do
we
have a
got
farm,
it.
How
don't
do I
we?
half a stack again?
It's
right click it. I think it's
it's
right.
one of the clicks.
Yeah, right click. Thank you.
No props.
How are we meant
Oh.
to get up in here?
I forgot we had a farm.
Woo.
Um, it's right back at where we spawned, isn't it? Callum, the farm. Is it
Yes.
spawn, isn't it? Yeah.
I hope you don't mind. I'm making some
Okay.
slight alterations to the fountain.
Time
Oh, you're
to
altering
go
it.
Yeah,
digging.
I'll make a space for your
Oh
gold
yeah, I
block.
forgot. Patrick turned the farm into a penis. That's fine.
He's only just moved as well. Shenanigans.
Patrick.
Oh, it's getting dark already. The sun is setting.
The wheat has all grown, if it makes you feel any better, into...
Penis shape.
Yeah.
That makes me feel fantastic, Patrick.
I've just harvested it all now, so now it's gone, and I'm farming like a proper... planting of crops.
no, my minds have interceded.
What?
My minds have like interceded each other. There's like, never mind.
Or are you strip farming?
Yeah, I should start a new mineshaft.
Okay, we got a bit of wool,
I'm not gonna waste your ability on coal.
wheat. We could probably make like 3 loaves of bread from Patrick's penis farm.
Okay.
Sounds quite dodgy. Imagine having the farm like that.
That sounds
No.
interesting.
You sounded like a testificate there.
Testificate. What's a testificate?
Oh, Patrick doesn't know what testificate. We need to find
Oh.
a village.
Testificate.
So you get villages in Minecraft that are like naturally.
Yeah,
Built?
they look like Squidwards.
Yeah,
Oh.
they're called testificates.
I'd made so many.
Testificates.
That's their name.
Actually, I think I was going to make a testificate
I
joke,
guess I don't know.
but I thought
Testicles.
not. Wow,
I know, I'm really mature.
wow, so mature.
3 loaves of bread. Nice. Oh, there's bread in here as well. Oh, we actually have like.
Calum, Do you remember the bread situation? I don't know if you do, but
is that the one where right at the beginning?
where there magically appeared just fountains of bread.
Oh my gosh, is that the leftovers?
I still have over 20.
What key do I press to get the coordinates up again?
F3.
F3?
Shift function F3.
We need to build another bed for
F3?
Patrick.
Function F3.
No.
See, for the house, are we gonna still have like a left
Thank you.
wing, and a south wing, and a west wing, and a north wing? 'Cause it's meant to be a mansion.
I think we'll just have one wing.
Just one wing.
Well, yeah,
14.
leading out to the casino, where we have our
The
fire pit.
casino's an outhouse though.
I forget.
I'll fix it later.
Yeah,
We'll-
I'm gonna
we'll do it.
See what the
It'll
achievements
happen.
are. What achievements do I have? Bit of
Gravel.
curiosity.
Gravel.
Oh, I don't have Monster Hunter. How do I not have Monster Hunter?
It's the 14th
It's a
block
new,
that's like
it's a new server, believe it or
most
not.
diamond
Remember?
rich, right?
What?
14th block. Like, that's the most diamond rich.
It's 14 or 16 or 11. I can't remember which one is the best one to find diamond.
I'll
at.
start 14, but actually I'll go deeper.
You just couldn't resist, could you?
The innuendos, man.
They keep on coming. Hey!
Oh my gosh.
I'm so
That's
sorry.
So bad.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. You don't have to apologize.
I feel the need to.
Oh gosh.
Oh, my inventory.
Oh,
It's so messy. We have so many boats in this chest.
Yeah, I just deposited all my leftover boats from the last trip.
oh, someone mailed me on Facebook.
We're so pro.
Social lives.
I accidentally made a pair of iron boots. If anyone wants them, I will
I'll just leave them there.
put them in the
Jays.
chest. You need all the help you can get, don't you, Pat?
My jays, yes.
Right. Oh, we could make TNT.
I almost did it again.
I took all
Damn
the
it.
gunpowder.
Did you?
Darn it. Gosh darn it, Patrick.
I was gonna tell you, but I was gonna surprise you.
Do you know how to make TNT?
TNT.
But do you know what the combination is to make it?
Yeah.
No, you don't.
Do you really?
You're a liar.
There's
Calum,
always Google.
Calum, look at
Just
Calum.
okay, so I'm gonna
Okay.
make my new base of
Do we have?
operations.
No, you're not. You're not.
I don't
You're
get
not.
it.
You're
You
not.
guys
Why
just
do you keep
threatened
doing
me with
this?
TNT.
I
No.
did
We
not
didn't
threaten
threaten
you with TNT.
anyone with
I was just
TNT.
showing
Laughing
Calum
evilly.
that I now have TNT because I made some.
He just happens to have TNT.
I just happen to have a bit of TNT. Dynamite. TNT. Right. Right,
All I
gonna-
found is
what was I
coal. Where are the diamonds?
Do we have any? Do you have any iron, Calum?
I have 2.
Can I have one?
I have 11? No, 21.
There you go.
Nice.
I'll go up and smelt it.
Okay.
Whoa, that's a lot. I just made a full set
Of
I
armor.
need-
and didn't tell anyone.
I need a
Tee.
full set as well. So I can go and kill you guys.
I made you boots, Patrick, as a peace offering.
Thank you.
Even
I
though
need some
we're not
Peace
even
offering poofed.
we're not even
Poof.
technically at war.
I need some leggings.
I'm only here
Well,
to
we
like
need to
collect
decorate
enough
upstairs,
resources.
We do, but we don't even have enough for a third bed yet.
We should make paintings since we have tons of sugar canes, right?
Yeah.
Sugarcane. Yeah, I remember that's why we wanted sugarcane. I was like, why do we have so much
It was
sugarcane?
probably to make books for an enchantment table.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
We're just
that.
gonna make paintings.
probably.
What's the? Oh, I just made a button by accident.
Bucket. Does anyone have a bucket?
What's the?
Awkward. Ignore.
How do you make?
You heard
painting?
nothing. Isn't it leather and paper?
Oh, is it leather?
I don't know if
No,
it's
it's sticks.
I'm pretty sure it's sticks.
sticks.
Yeah.
Oh, there's something that's.
Scrub.
Oh no, it's an item frame that has
Scrub.
leather. I'm sure.
Scrub.
But I don't know
You call me a scrub.
the combination. Is it just?
I'm gonna go mining for
No.
Pardon me.
Everyone that is pro Minecraft is probably gonna cringe as I feel right now at making paintings.
Does anyone have a bucket? I'll ask again.
Well, there's 21 iron in the furnace, so
Oh
Well,
my
I'm
gosh,
gonna
I
check
don't
all.
know how to make a painting. Okay, that's fine. I'll find out. I'll Google it. Right.
well then.
So,
You know what?
Screw you. Screw you.
I'll take my ore somewhere else.
no.
You filthy ore.
Can you? Wait, how much have you got?
Can I just have one to make a bucket?
I have a
Fine,
bucket
you can
here.
have-
I asked for a bucket about 5 times.
I have a water bucket here.
Oh,
if you want it.
bucket all. Oh, cheers. I'll take it. Fill the water.
Okay, guys.
Um,
I need to make.
can I? have the
You want
bucket?
it, don't you?
Well, yeah, yeah, I would like it. Thank you.
Patrick,
What?
can you make me iron leggings?
Sure.
And
Could you make me a pick, possibly? That'd be
Pick?
lovely.
also,
I could.
Calum, do you know how to make a painting?
Oof. That's a good question. I don't know if I know how to make a painting.
Okay,
It just sticks around a piece of paper.
Oh,
I
on you
tried
go,
that,
you
it didn't
Minecraft
work.
pro.
Oh, okay.
I tried all kinds of combinations as well with like 3 bits of paper and
Wait.
stuff. Maybe it's in a diagonal line. Who knows? Let's try that.
It's not.
I know. I
If you
could
need a
guess.
pick, I'll make you a pick.
Thank you. Make a pick real quick.
Yeah, it's not.
Um,
Oh, I must look like such a wizard. I don't know how to make a painting. Oh,
You're just not a decorator. That's all.
I know. I'm just not a very decorative builder, really, am
There you go.
Just mud. That's what I need.
I? I now have 40 sticks.
There you go.
Oh, thank you, wonderful Patrick. Oh,
Oops.
thank you.
Oh, craft. I'll take that.
I'll
Right.
need the rest of the iron to make my full set. Do you need anything? Iron?
Leggings.
Sure. That's
He's
fine.
actually helping us, not plotting to kill us.
No, no.
Or maybe this is part of his
we're
master
We're on a
plan.
mission together. Remember what was our end goal?
I don't know. I don't even know anymore.
It was like
5.
to kill the end dragon or something, wasn't it?
Sure, let's make that our goal next week.
Something.
Right.
Something
What are your
ridiculous.
opinions of Minecraft story mode?
Story mode.
Yeah,
Like
you know,
the
the one that Telltale Games is
Telltale.
making. Yeah. I think
I
I'm
don't
gonna
know.
get it. I
What?
think I'm gonna get it.
No.
I don't know. Minecraft should be Minecraft.
I know, but we could get it and then.
Alright, there's gonna be 9 there, so that's enough for you to make a.
Okay, thanks.
I'm gonna go mines.
Bring back
But
the
yeah, I'm
goods,
quite
Patrick.
excited for
Oh.
actually.
Heard arrows.
Will we end the video now? Actually,
Is
Let's
that
say goodbye
That's
to
really
everyone.
short.
good place to end?
No, it's been like 15 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Oh well.
So yeah,
I guess we probably should then.
or actually, yeah, that's
We
it.
could
Okay,
do like
goodbye,
an,
everyone.
an hour special one.
Okay, this is episode 10, isn't it?
Yeah, I
Let's
believe
make
so.
episode 10 is a special
Or,
episode.
every 10 episodes
Our
we make a
10th
special
episode.
hour long one.
Hour long.
Hour long.
Our-
How long that'll take to upload on this?
Okay, never mind that. No,
Right, let's
we're ending it
move
now.
on.
Oh,
Move on.
redstone. Yep, there's diamonds nearby.
Oh, diamonds.
Oh, it's daytime again. Wonderful.
Cal, what have you done to the water? It was beautiful.
I've made it bigger.
It was. Yeah. let's
Crap.
say goodbye.
Bye.